Welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. Welcome. Bienvenidos al canal del Señor Dungles. Welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. Today is July 25th, 2021. Welcome. It is July 25th, 2021. Bitcoin doing numbers, Telcoin doing numbers, Chainlink going back up. GRT last minute push. We got 33 minutes prior to the start of the new trading day. How is everybody doing? Make sure you go follow on Twitter at mdungles. We got a $2,000 giveaway over there. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe here on the channel if you want to make money and you like making money. Now, if you want to lose money, go follow the mainstream channels such as BitBoy. All those channels, they will guarantee you losses every single day. You know, here we buy before everybody pumps. Yes, sir. We have, as always, not financial advice, and I do this for entertainment purposes only. We have AMP. AMP has been performing amazingly. If you guys miss the first part of the stream earlier today, you guys would have seen, 4-7 entry going, and now we're doing sideways, maybe even creating a staircase. But what we have to keep an eye on is how high will we go, or is this just the last minute push before a dump? Because there are patterns that have been developing, as in head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders on a couple of ones too. So you got to see, like, we have the staircase here, which is looking phenomenal. But you'll know how I feel. VT, little breakout. Let's go over. Do we have one on the screen? Someone put one on the screen real quick. Here we go. One USD, not a YSD. There we go. One USD. Yes, you guys saw here. This is something we've been paying attention to. It could take a little bit to play out, but that is indeed a head, a shin, two shoulders. I mean, that could have been confirmation of a reversal. Boom, go back up. It's all right. We've had a couple head and shoulders that did not make it as a head and shoulders, and then they ended up going up to the upwards side. Make sure you always check that out. Right now, we have a link at 1652. Looks like we set a bottom at around 16... 15 maybe, 16, 17. Imagine if you would have sold. Now what we're looking for here is that upwards continuation. Now I do expect some sort of correction, which is normal. I know you guys don't like it, but we need to have that correction coming in to the week. I mean, or it could get ugly. Everybody dead cat bounce, not a lot of sentiment, the volume's low, yada, 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 blah, 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 all the bullshit. So, what you want to do is you'd like to take a look at all your charts, and see, okay, what's actually happening. This is the daily, it's looking pretty healthy. Go to your 4 hour, go to your 1 hour, go to your 6 hour. Make sure you have your goals lined up, and like I said, it's not a bad idea. Have your moon bags and then trade. And have patience. You believe in a coin, you're like, hey, I want to buy this coin, perfect. You want to do that, cool. So, yes, please, thank you. So we have a Chainlink, one of the things I do want to address here on this live and this stream is going to be the following. Let's go here to your brush. You had a shoulder. You had an inverse head. You had a shoulder. You then had a breakout. Why are you guys waiting here to buy and not here? Why? That's like the $1 million question. You guys are not following. As you guys can see right now, so you have right here 5379 on here. I don't think that's true. I'm getting breaking news right now. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. This is not true, but we have breaking news from SportsCenter saying Kansas City Chief quarterback Patrick Mahomes left training camp saying he will not play another down until the team changes their name. Yeah, I have a hard time believing this, but let's see if we can confirm it real quick. Patrick Holmes. Let's see. Yeah, that's definitely fake news. And he just says, wear your mask to the unvaccinated, or I don't even know you can say that word anymore. That's all he's saying. So fake news. Here we go. So a lot of people, like, you guys follow Crypto. You guys follow that pimple face, I call him, Carl from the Moon. Like, they're like, oh, I'm gonna open a position here and go up. Come on, bro. Like, why couldn't you forecast the same way we did? Go back in my history, go back in the videos of Mr. Dungles. Mr. Dungles will show you that, there's a video where this was here, and then we said, if when this develops, we bought here, this will develop, boom, and so on and so forth. What is so good? Lou says, good pump today, though. Yes. Ya te has perdido, cabrona, y no me has llamado. Saludo a todos mis centroamericanos, latinos, Cuba SOS. Estamos con ustedes, toda mi gente latina. Stand up. Dun, 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 dun. All right. So, Chainlink is a beautiful position. I want to tell you why. Chainlink has been in an inverse head and shoulders playing around, right? So, and it did break out. It broke out good. I mean, shoot, from $13, we're up, what, $3.50 something cents? Okay. Big pump. We all have small dump end of month like clockwork. Absolutely. Big pump says it. It's very correct. But we also, have you guys noticed that there's also a pump every time there's massive gains or massive rallies? Now, for a lot of people, this might not be massive gains and massive rallies, but to the common expert, I mean, it is a massive gain because let's switch over. Someone activate BTC for me. Thank you. BTC nearing $35,000. Again, we've got now 26 minutes on the clock. We can hit 35,000 here on live. This is very possible. I think we'd like to see 36,000 to be a little bit comfortable. First, we need to see 35, obviously. From there, let's see. I mean, a lot of people are saying, hey, you're going to stay at, 35 and then you're coming crashing down. Like, you have to see patterns develop. If this is a shoulder, this is a head. If we get rejected here and slowly start forming and we drop back down to 32 and then make a little bounce, then you're going to have a head and shoulders, which is not a positive signal. And then you're going to come your way down and you're going to crash. So make sure you guys understand your patterns, have your note cards, have everything available to you. We are $50 away, ladies and gentlemen, $50 away from obtaining a $35,000 Bitcoin. This has been in the works. Remember, we are shy. We are literally $30,000 from previous all-time highs. It sounds ridiculous. It sounds obnoxious, but now we are, maybe we'll do this on the live. Yes. So again, so many people said, oh, well, this is a shoulder. Why are you doing a shoulder there? That's stupid. Other people said, why are you driving the head there? I said, because watch this. And then why are you doing it like this? I said, because watch this. Head, shoulders, inverse. We bought here, got up, perfect, boom. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Again, this is not financial advice, and this is done for entertainment purposes only. Follow Mr. Dungles on Twitter. You will see. Pay high 37K. Aaron says, hello. Aaron, welcome. Is this Aaron, my son, or who? $35,000. Just saw it on the screen. $35,000 here on the live. There we go. It is live breaking with you. Again, we just received false information that Patrick Mahomes was leaving the team and not playing until they changed the name. Again, people like to spread FUD. I want to make sure that's clear. We do cover a lot of things. It is father. Awesome. Look at BTC. We have Link. What price did you get in, Aaron, at Link? Because we're up to 1656. It's I hope we go to the 17. The 17. I'm trying. Let's go. Lucky 17. All right. We've got that today. We've got AMP. AMP has absolutely dominated. I was talking with a gentleman on YouTube, and he was saying some stuff, and I don't really remember, but basically the context was, well, you could always hold and, not worry about it. And it's like, cool, yes, you can, but guess what? Right here at $4,800, 48 cents, let me show you something that's about to blow your mind. We're bringing out the calculator. This is people's favorite tool by Mr. Dungles. He's at $16.49. Sir, I believe you are in profit by almost 7 cents. This is amazing. Continue. Here we go. So if you bought at, just say you bought at 0.05, so let's just say you had $1,000 divided by the 0.05, coño, $1,000 divided by 0.05, 20,000 coins. 20,000 coins at 5. All right, so watch this and watch how beautiful this is. So you go all the way to, what did we go to? We went to 6.4, but you didn't sell that because you never sell it perfectly. But you just sold at 6, just to be, or 6.2. Let's be fair. 6.2, that's a good height. So let's go to 20,000 coins times 0.062, that gives you 1240. That means that in that trade alone, and this is in less than 8 hours, you were able to go from $1,000 to $1,240. Understood, right? So you now have $1,240, right? Now you're like, okay, I can see kind of a little pattern developing, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to try to buy back in. You couldn't buy 100% here, so let's just be realistic and say you bought at like 5.9, right? So watch this. 1,240 divided by 0.059 gives you 21,000 coins. Now switch to 1,000 extra coins. 21,000 coins times 0. Right now the price, that gives you 1287. That's an extra additional $40. It can be done. I don't want to hear saying it can't be done. It is not possible, because it gets done. It gets done every single day, day in and day out. Doesn't matter if you're in a bull run, bear market. Don't matter if you're in a bearish trend, you're in a bullish trend. Doesn't matter if you're happy, you're sad, you're mad. The markets are going to perform. They're going to follow the money. Okay? Don't, keep listening to BitBoy Crypto when he bought, what did he buy? Matic. He bought at all these expensive prices. Go back through the videos. History repeats itself. The YouTube channel does not lie. All the videos are saved when the prices were bought. You got 4.85 for Harmony 1. You got 6 cents for VET. Let's take a look at one Harmony right now, cruising at 7.20. Like I said, you do have a head and shoulders pattern here on the 1 hour chart. However, we went down, so that could have played out, but it would have been small. Nothing major, if you understand what the words I am saying. All right, we got VTHO doing a little bit of a pump itself. Pretty cool. VET USD, here we go. 737, one of the best jets ever made. That's a Boeing 737, now 736. But they're back to the Boeing jet. So again, shoulder. Let's point this out for the newcomers and the people that'll watch this afterwards. People just want instant gratification. It's fine, and that might not be the channel for you, and that's cool. We're realistic here. All we care about is making gains. Y'all care about the fame. We don't care about the fame. Boom, boom. But you buy here to make the gains. Say you didn't make it at 5. That's cool. Make it at 6 around here. That's perfect. 5.8. And it's simple, You sell out here, buy here, and you gain a little bit of position. But nobody wants to do this. Jay Torres says, hey. Hey, shout out to Jay Torres' dog. Shout out to Jay Torres as well. He's going to be a father. A father. Yep. Let's go. Bitcoin, as we just stated, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. We are $35,125, $39, sorry, $47, $66. Wow. KK says, bull run coming if there is no FUD coming. KK, I'd like to share something with you. It's the personal opinion here of the channel. We have been in a bull run. We're still in a bull run. We have been in a significantly, disgustingly bearish trend. However, we have stayed in a bull run, and that can be proven by the amounts of gains people have been making daily. However, there will be a second part of it. I'm waiting confirmation. I have not declared 2.0 yet. I said it is coming. It is getting prepared. But here's one thing I'd like to let you guys know, the people that are watching this on repeat, we are watching this around the world right now. You could wake up one of these days and your favorite coins could be at 9 cents, 10 cents, 11 cents, $1, What are you doing? You're waiting for a confirmation. A lot of people are still holding on to Tether up here. Bro, we're $6,000 from where we were down. You know, we went to all the way to 29,353. But come on now. $6,000. You got to be ready. Again, it looks like Bitcoin is on the pump. Like I said, be very, very careful though. We want to make sure this is a healthy pump. This is on the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Let's study patterns right now. 1 hour is just looking good. No problems there. Harmony 1, 720. Like I said, head and shoulders, boom. But it did come down and then it's coming back up. So I'm going to be a little bit careful with that. Chainlink looking to surprise people as well, so make sure you guys check that out. Look at Chainlink right now. Sun, how much profit are you in? So here we have AMP. AMP is doing good. One of the things with AMP is it's running on the rumors that Amazon is going to acquire it or use it or whatever the nature of that conversation went. What I like to say is AMP also surprised the heck out of people. Look, you know, where we are now. And this is a coin you don't want to miss out on. I want to pull up quickly DNT USD. $25 profit is profit. I wouldn't take it out yet, but profit is profit. I'm looking to be at 17 cents. DNT, another coin that is doing right now crazy numbers. Could have gotten in at 9 cents. We didn't, so let's be clear about that. We had a massive, well, not massive, but a nice pump from 12 to 13, so about a penny. And then here we're having a little bit of a pump. See if any patterns have been developing. That's a 1 hour chart. Let's go over to the 4 hour. We do have a nice pattern here. Look out for the breakout. Hold on. What happened here? This is on the 4 hour chart. It went from 11 cents all the way to 18 cents. That's a 7 cent profit. Let's go and everybody take a look at this. We're going to do right here. Zoom in a little bit. Boom. I mean, hold on. Okay, so we're going to go real quick and show you guys some little TA that we do here on the channel. That is a inverse head. This I'll call a shoulder. And my shoulders and my heads are different. Link is looking nice. Yes, it is, sir. Another person who got in. Isai, if you don't mind sharing, what price did you get in today? You guys give me a second. Mami, estoy en vivo. Te llamo para atrás. Te quiero mucho. Love you. Bye. So make sure you guys understand that. DNT, this is on Coinbase Pro because it's on a USDC side. You can buy DNT on regular Coinbase and not have to use USDC. It's not available on Binance.us. We don't have any affiliate links as we don't usually do that, but they will be coming, best believe that. So that's the way the cookie rolls. Again, we want to cover the breaking news story that we covered. Breaking news is Kansas City Chiefs is staying in Kansas City. The quarterback is staying in Kansas City. Make sure you guys have that understood. Isai got in at 1669 last night. He's nearing that price right now. Your lucky number, yes, sir, it is 69. That is how, well, let's not say that on live. Anyways, right here we have 1667. My son, Aaron, is in profit. He should be a little bit more in profit now. We have GRT. GRT's been doing something I want to show you. This is on the 4 hour chart. I don't really like the 4 hour chart for this scenario, but I'd like to show you the following. This is a shoulder. This is a head. This is a shoulder going down. So are we going to see? What's up, Sean? Welcome to the live. Are we going to see Sun number 2, which is Isai? Look. 1669. Aaron is in profit now. $36, I think. Yes. Isai will be breaking even now. We've been doing this as a play. We should have gotten in earlier. That's I'm not here. This is what the 4-hour chart. So we probably could have gotten in cheaper, but we got in a little bit. Boom. We've got 13 minutes till the start of the new day. Crypto trading wise, if you don't know that, it is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That means 5 p.m. on the West Coast, which makes it 12 a.m. Universal Time. 1666 there. Let's continue to see BTC on the rise. $35,240. Now, this is what I want you guys, all two of you that are listening here, make sure you guys check this out. Is this going to stay? Are we going to continue, or is this one of those fake outs so we can come back down and test? Make sure you check out my favorite chart, which is a 3-hour chart. A lot of people don't like it. Okay, so remember, I was saying this could have been a shoulder, this could have been a head, but this is going to invalidate that head right there. So on the 3-hour chart, we're looking pretty good. Right here, you guys already know this is how we got in with the inverse head and shoulders. That's on the 4-hour. Let's go over to the 6-hour chart real quick. Again, looking pretty good. Dun dun dun. And now we want to continue monitoring the situation. So as you can see on the screen, you will be able to on tradingview.com. Make sure you sign up. It's a $5, $10, $15 monthly charge. It doesn't matter. Get it. It is going to save you a lot of headaches, a lot of heartaches in your trading career. As always, have your moon bags, ladies and gentlemen. This is not financial advice. Have your moon bags, have your ledger wallets, have what you need to have in order to succeed in crypto. And stop listening to the FUD, because there's going to be so many people, oh, I could have bought here. There's going to be people that said, oh, I could have bought here. Oh, I could have bought here. Oh, I could have bought here. And then it's going to be too late. I want you guys to understand that. We don't bash channels on here. We just tell you how it is. Again, DNT looking for a potential breakout, another coin. We saw what it did here, so I'm going to tell you right now. It went to 17 cents, and that was on the July 16th of 2021. Right now, Chainlink again at 1669, lucky number 69 on the table. We have GRT at that. Let's go take a look at Mana. USD, Mana USD. Here we go. And we have, let's see if I can call that. Dios mío. Well, it depends how you look at it, because it's kind of ugly. Thank you. Oh, here comes the doggins. It's alright, cutie pies. It's just groceries. You want to make sure... Come here, boy. I have my nephew here with me. He's a dog. Don't judge. And I have my daughter, who's also a dog. VET 740 popping off. What it do? Jay, are you still in chat? Jay, are you still in chat? Ladies and gentlemen, give me 3 minutes while I get the groceries inside. Stay here. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Talk amongst yourself. Where do you guys think Bitcoin's going tomorrow? Does Amazon announce it has purchased Bitcoin? Yes or no? Hold on, baby. Monkey's coming. It's okay. It's okay, boy. Yes, yes, it's okay. Yes, yes. But it's not your mom. Be careful, boy. I want you to run on the street. It's just groceries. What's up, everybody? We're back. We're back. We're back. Yes, you can. The Jade Club says, so can you buy and sell daily with Coinbase Pro and then rebuy? Yes, the same coin that is. Absolutely. Yes, you can. It is not like stocks, and we get that question a lot. So, the Jade Club, welcome. Haven't seen you comment before, so that's why I say welcome. You probably have. If you haven't, cool. Listen, did I say it wrong? JD or Jade? Sorry, I apologize. Not the best with names. I'm new. Appreciate it. So, questions. You guys ask questions. Absolutely. Any questions? So, yeah. So, with Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, Binance.us, any of these, Dungles went for a run. No, I had to go get groceries that were delivered. Hey, everybody who's in the link trade, link alert, you're in profit. BTC 35244 just subbed. Appreciate it. So, okay, yes, you can trade. Follow me on Twitter at mdungles. And you can see a lot of the posts, like the note card formula we use, which is where you buy your price. Let me see if I can pull it up on Twitter real quick. That way you guys can have a look. We do have a $2,000 giveaway. Remember, there's no purchase necessary. All you have to do is send a video. You can do it publicly or send it via DM for your chance to win $500 a piece. There's 4 winners. That's $2,000. Haha, look at the Shiba coin, dude. So, here we go. Yes, I'm out of breath, but it's all right. Note card. So, let's go. TKO, UFC. Should be just shy of this. Ooh, lots of fighting. I just want to know. Okay, let's put this one in real quick. Again, how much for a Bitcoin? $47,034. Then I'll take them all. I bet this sucker's going to buy high and sell low. And then this guy said, here, we're not selling. This should be us. It really should. You guys see? Well, that's just a commentator. Hey, I don't know if you guys watched this.
To the man who died in this pursuit, they were unavailable for comment. Micah back.
Yeah, that's how smart our world is today. She said she tried to reach out to the person that just died for comment. That's a video. Swimming. 781, again, it is top of the hour, 6 minutes away. You want to make sure you are staying tuned so we can see, listen, what happened with Conor McGregor. Listen, Mr. Dungles was there. He saw everything, and they're blaming Mr. Dungles. You guys see it. It's Mr. Dungles. Let's go over here. Where is the note card formula? I just want to show... wow, this is one of our very good friends and followers. Retreat, if you know, you know. That's Easter. God, how long ago was... Oh, here we go. Got it. Pulled it up. All right, squad. Again, this is at mdungles on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter at mdungles. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe on this live stream. Coin, price in, quantity, price target out, price sold, profit. Go to Dollar Store, Dollar Trade, Dollar Tree, whatever you want to call it. Get yourself note cards. What are you going to write on those cards? Your coin. That means AMP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever coin you have. Price in, not meme coins. We don't do those. We just do regular coins. Price in, so the price you bought at, meaning 6 cents, $1, 34,000, whatever you bought. Quantity, how much did you buy? Whether it's a coin, if you're buying a Bitcoin, if you bought a fraction, a piece, a whole, 10, whatever. Price target out, what you would like for your exit price to be. However, this is going to differentiate from your price sold. Why is your price target going to differentiate? Because price sold is going to be different. Profit's going to play a key role in it. Price target out is what you would like. Then you start seeing that money come in and you're like, darn, I'm going to sell. And you do sell and it's okay. You don't have to meet your price target out. You're in profit. You're like, profit. Aaron, are you still on the live, sir, son? If you're still in the live, let people know how it goes. Okay, Link is pumping quite a bit right now. 1675. So Coinbase Pro, yes, you can do it. Binance.us, Coinbase, KuCoin. You buy, you sell. Here's the secret, a formula. So say you bought right here at $15. You sold at 16, just say $16, that's 50-cent profit per coin. Then you wait for the bottom, or not the bottom, but as close as, so 15.50, and then boom. And you can do that as many times as you want, boom, and you go from there. What's up, little girl? You okay? Hi, honey. What you need today? Got my daughter in studio here. All right, so this is a very, very huge question. Do the taxes happen at the end of the year? So, yes, you need to make sure you have. I use CryptoTrader.tax. They are a phenomenal support team, everything, and they are amazing. Going up nicely. Let's switch over to Bitcoin real quick. Have it on the screen for you guys. Yes, so you're taxed based on your gain or your loss. So if you bought at $1 and sold at 50 cents, you're going to be, obviously have something to write off. I think in the United States it's up to $3,000 a year on losses. I don't know. The capital gains tax, if you bought $1 and sold at $10, you're going to be taxed on that $9. So make sure you understand. Right now we have Bitcoin coming in at $35,362.81. It continues to fluctuate. What I want you guys to know and understand is this has happened in time. I don't know if Jay's still in chat. If Jay's still in chat, he can confirm this. It could happen. Now, JD, if you want to maximize your gains, it's don't sell before if you're in a loss. So like you could have bought Chainlink right now at 1676 and you sold because it dropped to 1650, you're in a loss, then it goes back up. You don't want to create losses. You really don't. So just have patience, especially in day trading, because day trading will wreck you. Not leverage trading. We don't promote leverage trading on this platform here. Mr. Dungles is 100% against it. He's done it a couple times and it has not worked. I mean, it's worked and then it hasn't, and then it has, and then it hasn't. It's 99.9% ineffective. Obviously, you could have put it along right here and you would have won. That's, obvious. But again, just got to be safe. And it's rather be safe and sorry. Also, you'd rather just make steady gains. Aaron can share with you guys. He makes anywhere from $35 to $185 a day on his spare time just trading. He'll say a call, boom, boom, boom. Make sure you guys have what it takes and all that. Let's go over Mana. Mana's pumping a bit. Mana. This is on the 2-hour chart. Let's go over to the 1 hour. We have a little bit of a pump, nothing major. I could say this, but I'm not sure. I can't call that. I'm not going to call that. You got One Harmony 1 doing a little bit of a pump. We've got VET on the rise as well. Continue to monitor VET. That is coins that you can get on Binance.us. Absolutely. Ooh, jet skiing. Cool. So any questions, make sure you leave them here. Make sure you ask them. We are about 8 p.m. Yes, we are. Let's go over to the charts. Make sure you have your cell phones ready in case everything starts dumping. You can start making your exits and then going back in and hopefully buying in cheaper. Again, it could be a thing where we just continue to pump for a little bit, and then tomorrow we would see something different. We have VET at 745. We have One Harmony at 724. We have Chainlink at 1677. ADA still at $1.22. It's still steel. We have Matic at 93 cents. XLM at 26 cents. We have Harmony 1. Well, we just covered that. We have VTHO at 0.0053. We have REP at $31.60. Again, it's looking to be a little bit of a dump, but you can't tell right off the first few minutes because so many people will go off this. Obviously, if it starts going all the way down here, you can see it. But this is what we've been talking about in the stream is you want to make sure that you have your information correctly. Are you in it for the long run? Are you in it for the short run? Are you ready to go? If you sell right now and then it pumps more, it's like, I bet, cool. It sucks, but you've got to make a very, very hard decision because if 35,000 right now and then it, rises to say 36,000 or 37,000, then you're going to be upset if you missed out on that. We have VET still 741. I will probably take some profits at 741 for VET and sell and hopefully get in cheaper. Again, everything's pumps. It's fine if things pump. and then they come back down, that's normal. Is it going to be always? No. Is that how it's going to work? Absolutely not. Not every time. And again, it could be a fake out. Link is 1676, so that's staying. Again, VET's dropping a bit, and that is fine. Harmony 1 is doing a little bit of what beautiful call on live. You guys are watching this live. You are watching this live. Let's go and get rid of that real quick. Boom, 722, 721, got off at 721. Let's see what happens. I mean, again, this is live, happening live right now. Trading group says Akita secures it, blah, blah, blah. We have Samuel Tran. Who is that? I don't know. Got some random people. Hey, I'm interviewing right now. Da-da-da. Link pump. Yes, yes. 1671. Vasquez, are you still on the live chat? But it is looking to be a little bit of a downtrend. 3 minutes, you can't call it so early. Everybody needs to relax. 35,320. What did VT? VT went back up to 741 again. This could just be a continuation. We're going to zoom in real quick for you guys here. Hopefully there is a look at B-Pro chart. B-Pro, give me a second. I know you DM'd me about it. Ba-bum-bum. Shoots, where's AMP? AMP 723, I need to see a full chart activated. Okay. Usually signifies reversal, but that's not here because we were here. Shit, go to the 1 hour. Tell me right now. Wish you could see those prices again, but sometimes you're not going to. Have you tried Dex tools? No, I have not. Let's get out of one of these charts. Boom. He says B Pro. B Pro 0.00062. Chainlink 1674 and rising. Beautiful. VET and rising again. You want to pay attention to this. This is what I'm talking about. You know, sometimes, I mean, I take calculated risk. That's fine. This could just be a continuation going forward. But look at this. Even though it's on the hourly, it's still at 74 and it's still pumping. Do not be discouraged. We have Bitcoin at 35,373, also pumping a bit. B Pro, I like the, where's that amp? B Pro. I like the price. I like that it's been in a 52-week range of 4.7. So I'm going to hold and say go. Obviously, we are on the 4-hour chart. Let's go over to the 1-hour chart to see. So let's see. We started pumping. What's today? The 25th. So if you would have bought, you could have bought at 3.5. So at 4 cents, or not 4 cents, at 4. I mean 0.2. Yeah, it's a good, in my opinion. Again, don't make the decisions early on. Sick. I made it for Dungles Live. What's up, Disco Inferno? How you guys doing today? Thank you for tuning in. We have VET again. This is something, an area I'm going to highlight. Why? Because I want you guys to understand this. Get my little cursor out. Brush. So, you see these continuations. People panic and sell here. They sold here. And then it rose. Here's the thing. So, here, yeah, because you started, the bottom of the wick is where you started. This is where you ended, and then boom. So remember, bottom is where you start, top is where you end. That's why the continuation's here. We went all the way to here, and then boom. So make sure you guys understand that. Check out your key indicators. Check out your favorite patterns. Put in chat what is your favorite trading. What is your favorite trading pattern, or what do you like? So let's see. Yes. Again, welcome. We are covering Chainlink right now, actively trading Chainlink. This is 167777, lucky 7 on the clock. Again, Mana 70 cents, One Harmony 723, VET 744. It's going up, it's okay. So you have upwards continuation. I mean, you've got to be safe with these calls. Let's get this pattern out of here, and not get too overly excited. 807, looking a bit of undecisiveness. If this candle finishes red, we'll probably set a little bit of a candle and go down a bit. I look for entry point around there. Again, this is not financial advice, and this is done for entertainment purposes only. When I drink water, I like drinking from the island of Fiji, natural artisan water. Make sure you get the 500 milliliter bottles of water. Again, this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but we are getting prepared for Fiji, natural artisan water. It goes down so smooth you will not regret it. So here we go. We have 726 on the clock. We have a bit of a pumpage. You guys saw it go down to 720. And then on live, it's now starting to rise. I'd like to draw your attentions to, I believe that is AMP, a little bit of sideways movement right here. But it's okay if you have sideways movements. You just pumped from 4.7 all the way to 6.4. So you pumped, very, very good. You want to make sure. Yes, Chainlink 1681. Isai, what coin are you referring to? Again, not financial advice. We do this for entertainment purposes only. I'm loving it. Chainlink, again, we had a discussion. Chainlink is pumping. I will not be getting out of Chainlink at this time. 1684, that would be a little bit of a mistake in my opinion. You have BTC pumping as well, which means all these coins are going to pump. You guys saw I got out on live at VT and One Harmony. That's fine. You're not going to make everything perfect, but you can still be a part. So, boom. Usually between the 17 minute mark and 44-minute mark, prices come down a bit. So if you sold a little bit, there's always an opportunity to get back in at the same price you got in, and you don't take a loss. Unless you're like, oh man, I just saw this, it's coming out, something news came out, perfect. I like Fiji too. So again, 1681 on Chainlink, doing beautiful numbers. Again, I want to get out of Chainlink. To be honest, I'd like to see it go up to 1739 before I get out. Will it happen today? It's a hard one. I'm trying to decipher patterns right now. It's a hard one. Because this is going to be the ugliest inverse head and shoulders you will ever see. Boom, 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 and now we're breaking out. Again, you're in profit, Isai. I don't know how much you're in profit. Whatever you're in profit, that's something that you need to evaluate and see if that's something you're content with. As for me and mine, we will be staying into at least $17. At the very least. You'd like more, definitely, for sure. Bomb. Make sure you guys buy your Ledger Nano X wallets. If you go to the About page section of the YouTube channel, there is an affiliate link, which is the only affiliate link I have up as of right now. You have, again, VET continuing to pump, 747, and it happens. So even though it wouldn't be too big of a, difference, but see, boom, want to see, let it calm down, don't rush into the trade, because as you can see, if this were to stay like this, you'd have another candle that'll probably form red and then come back down a bit, and that's fine. That's when you want to take advantage and attack, or you can have these candles continuing to go. You have 1684. Bitcoin is at 35,500. Again, it is something that is happening live on this chat right now. Again, we have express breaking news coming from express.co.uk. Jeff Bezos exploring Amazon payments in crypto. If that were to be announced, this is going to elevate the price of cryptocurrency through the moon. We're running on rumors right now. Let's be very, very clear. We're running on pure rumors. Could it happen? Yes. If it happens, it would be astronomical. Again, astronomical. You have VET, continuing to be on the rise, which is pretty cool. Go in and let's see. Take a look at H bar. H bar. Saludos a todos mis latinos. Stand up. What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. Have a little bit of a breakout here. We 17.7, 17.72. Looking pretty good, pretty solid. Something pretty amazing. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the picks. The picks of this week again include Chainlink, Mana, One Harmony, VET. You can stay tuned to watch live right now as we are covering what is happening in the markets. Bitcoin currently trading at 35,668, which is driving the prices of other cryptos and altcoins up as well. Again, looking pretty good. VET, One Harmony, Mana. We also have Chainlink on the run. $17 for Chainlink. Where are all my Chainlink people at? Where are you guys at? Chainlink in the building. Chainlink in the building. Report with a 777 in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Again, Aaron, what are you at right now for profit if you don't mind sharing with the team? $17. Again, as I said, we are in a continuation pattern, something that you need to evaluate softly and do best as you can. If you feel it in you, take profits. If you feel it in you, do not be greedy. That is what we preach at Mr. Dungles. Do not be greedy, but be smart. We've seen this pump. We've seen it again from 1532 all the way to 1678. 1582, 1678, it's $1.50. That means our pump started right around 1637. That would have been at 1758. Again, look at the pumpage. Look at the pumpage. Don't let it stop you. Again, if you like the stream, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. Breaking right here. Breaker. Niner. 17-9. Aaron, how happy are you with that decision? Isai, how happy are you with the decision? Let's get that on record. 1705. 17 shot, no, 38. You guys are probably too young for that one. Again, Matic coming in at 1995.35. We have Zilliqa at 740. We have One Harmony at 729. RVN at 6 cents. RVN at 6 cents is a steal as well. VTHO at 5.3 is doing numbers absolutely astonishing. VTA 751 has a little bit of a frozen attitude. Ooh, get that attitude out of there. Where are you going, princess? Maybe. Daddy's on live. Again, welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. This is not financial advice. We are covering the latest, greatest coins. We are trading with you live. You have Bitcoin coming in at 35,000. Are we going to 36,000? And remember, after the pumps come the little bit of a dump. So everybody be very, very, very careful. Just careful. VET, a little bit of the downside. Chainlink coming down a little bit at 1703, but that is fine. If you are in chat and you're looking at the clock, it's around 8:16 Eastern Standard Time. That means about 5 p.m. on the west coast of the United States of America. If that's the case and you're in America right now, you'd like to pay attention to what's going on into the markets and make sure you are tuning in live. Sean says, liking what I see. Sean's been part of the family for a long, long time. Sometimes we see eye to eye, sometimes we don't. But it doesn't mean we do not get along. Everybody get out of the comments with all that bullshit. Chainlink, Sean, share with us what prices you were able to accumulate Chainlink at, because that's something I would love for you to touch on, which is huge. Again, it's huge what's going on in the crypto markets. Again, a lot of things are running based on Amazon saying they may or may not take it. So let me go over here and put Amazon crypto. So again, as of right now, 747, one of the biggest jumbo jets. That's a Boeing. 10 hours ago, everyone's covering. It says Amazon to accept Bitcoin's developed crypto strategy. This is unpredictable. This is not something that can be confirmed. So I want you guys to understand, though. Sean says 14 through 18. I have been buying amazing. Remember, for Chainlink to be at $300, I want you to take an assignment, go home. Well, you guys are probably home, and check out how much the market cap has to be at. When you see it, believe it, and be like, damn, I should have taken it. Again, video is not sponsored, but if you do drink water, make sure from the islands of Fiji, natural artisan water. It is amazing. Go back to the Note card formula. Again, Notes card formula to you guys. Throw it on screen. Again, follow on Twitter at mdungles. Make sure on your note card you have coin, price in, quantity, price target out, price sold, and profit. That way you could see. So coin, put Chainlink, price in 1639, quantity 10. Price target out, you want to go out to 1750. Price sold 1735. Still made money though. Better make money than make no money. Tell me if that is true or not. We've got VT dropping. This is something that you want to keep an eye on because then it can test certain levels of prices. So again, this is something huge. This is what I say about buying and selling. Buying and selling, you got to be very, very careful. You can get wrecked by going usually, and this does not mean now, usually, you know, it'll come back down and come back up. But we have seen where it turns red and it just, so you want to take it easy. Walter is in the building and says, thoughts on the market today? Well, you've missed us here a couple of minutes ago, but we will continue to cover for you. Thank you for tuning in today. Walter. So what we have right now, we have $35,662 roughly on Bitcoin. Doing good. Remember, we could be seeing a little bit of a fake out, come back down to the downside, test lower lows. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Not looking too bad, but again, we've been pumping nonstop. It's happened before, and it can happen really fast. Man is doing good overall. Again, I believe, Walter, we are running on Amazon rumors, Amazon news, Amazon information. Again, Amazon is believed to be running AMP, or could be looking into the possibility of the AMP project, which is Flexicoin and all that. But it can also be looking to take... Ooh, hold up. Let's go to Ethereum. Breaking. I'll do Coinbase. Boom. Look at that. $2,200. When we called it, we were... What are we... Yeah. When we opened that position, go on Twitter, you'll be able to see it. We opened our position in... And it sounds like leverage trading, but it's not. Right here in the $1,700 mark. Boom. Patience pays off. 222 marks a new beginning. Make sure you guys are tuning in every single day. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. If you're new to the thing, subscribe, activate bell notifications so you have the best crypto content on the web. I am not a new channel. I've been around. I just don't I didn't care about like the YouTube stuff and algorithms, but more people are getting interested. More people want to make money, and I'm sick and tired of the big channels saying they know how to make money and they don't. If you follow some of those channels, they're like, "Hey, we bought Matic at 94 cents, then it dropped to 64, and that's when we bought." Got him. Dungles, you seeing a recovery before the new year? Bitcoin all-time high? Yes, I am. However, you have to be very, very cautious. I think that there are going to be several things. Now, if Amazon does come out here, let's say this is on record. Let's come out and say this. If Amazon does come out when the Q3, and the Q2, whatever, shit, by the end of the year, and they're like, hey, we're going to accept crypto, and we're going to accept Bitcoin, and we're going to accept this, and we have that. Be prepared for a prolonged bull run, as we've been talking about on the channel for the longest times, with major corrections still. Be prepared. Amazon is the number one powerhouse in the world right now. Please understand that. Amazon is nothing to be played lightly. Amazon accepting Bitcoin, Amazon accepting those types of things, you need to make sure you have your T's crossed, your I's dotted, because it is not a joke. It announces that Bitcoin's off to the moon. Cryptocurrencies, successful projects, VET, One Harmony, VTHO, AMP, Chainlink, Cardano, to the moon. Cardano at $1.22, what it is right now. Let's verify that, make sure that we're giving away the right information on that. $1.24, it pumped. It's a steal. I mean, you had the opportunity to buy it here at 119. You had the opportunity of buying it at 114. And people said no. And it's not just because of the smart contracts and this and that. But once people come after Cardano, it's going to be a wrap. Once institutions come after Cardano, Cardano is going to pump like never before. Look at what happened with Matic. We called Matic at 11 cents. Let's go over to Matic. Matic is still under $1 if I'm not mistaken. USD, let's activate it on Binance. Yep, 94 cents. Again, screenshots are online. Before all this major pump, let's go here. This is on the 1 hour chart. When this, last crash happened here, we were able to get in at 6.9, which was amazing. 6.9, boom, and up. You had an inverse head and shoulders played out, cool, boom, and that. Now, what you want to take a look at, sometimes you have to zoom out to see the bigger picture. Walter says, you said Amazon might accept AMP. Why, though? I don't know much about the project. Not that they might accept AMP. It's just AMP is a processing payment solution, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that, for cryptocurrencies. Look up Flexicoin. Look up those types of things. That is something huge. Make sure you guys are following the news of real Mr. Dungles. Again, if they do accept, okay, so if they have Bitcoin, they have it on their books, they have it on their cash reserves, whatever you want to name it, treasury, bezery, whatever makes you happy, and go from there. Now, one thing I would like to point out real quick is someone can say this is a head, shoulder, that's not developed. What you could start saying that this is developed and you're catching this live. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. You know how it goes. This for me is a shoulder, that's developed. This for me is a head, that's developed. And then we can just push it up a bit. Watch. Okay, what would I like to see here? Come down a bit. All right. Coming down and then up, and that would look a little bit like baby, can't you see? That. So absolutely phenomenal, something that is in the works that could happen. Again, this is, I'm seeing this pattern developed. It could just continue going up and then, be invalidated and do another pattern. Absolutely, that could happen without, a doubt. Do I think Matic will go over $1 today? I don't know, man. I'll be honest. I've been debating that. It's had several opportunities to. It tried at 98 and it got failed. We haven't been at $1 since... We haven't been at $1 since July the 12th. So probably 2 weeks ago almost. Isai sold for $5 profit, getting back in. Why did you sell? That's my question. That's one of the things I want to talk to you guys about too. if you're in a trading group, if you're in our trading group, the whole purpose of following the trades that Mr. Dungles does is to wait for him to finish his trades and get in and get out. And remember, if you sold now and made a $5 profit and bought now, you're not making any money because of the fees. And I'm not putting you on the spot. For what though? Why? The point was to get you got in at 1669. No, that's not how that works. And you see, this is why the trading stuff is different. It's a unique thing. And this is why 99.9 people get wrecked. And I'm not, again, Isaiah, I'm not making fun of you. I know you're learning, you're trying this, but I'm telling you because I got wrecked. I got fudged. So let me share with you that knowledge. One Harmony on a breakout. Let's go over to VET real quick because we are in an open position with VET. 750 again, good thing. But let's go back over to Chainlink. You can't do that. I'm not trying to school. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but yeah. Aaron, are you still in Chainlink? Aaron, are you still in chat? All right, because here's the thing. Isai, what price did you get in? 1669? I think you said 1669 if I'm not mistaken. So 17.15 price right now. Take away 16.69 is 40 cents profit. Orlando says, holding strong, Vets and Harmony 1. That is amazing. Bienvenidos al canal del señor Dungles en español. Traducimos como usted quiera. Aquí saludos a todos mis compatriotas de la Isla del Encanto. También en Cuba, our hearts go out to you. SOS, Cuba, póngale final a esa mierda de libertad, patria y vida, men. A la gente son humanos, son seres humanos y de verdad, pues ocupan... ¿Me entiende? Ayuda y los gobiernos alrededor del mundo deben estar ayudando a su gente, a su pueblo. Okay, Aaron says, yes, sir, but no, I sold, made $127. That's fine. You got in at what price, Aaron? Well, you know what price you got in. Anyway, so Aaron got in $16.39, I want to say, or something, or $16.40. He made his profit. Listen, $100 a day keeps the doctor away. You want to learn something? Watch this. $100 times 30 days a month, that's $3,000 in your pocket. Multiplied by 12, that's $36,000 additionally. Okay? Again, not financial advice, just opinions here, and there's nothing wrong with selling. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Again, there's absolutely nothing wrong with taking profits. We encourage people to take profits so that when it dips, because things are going to dip. I personally believe tomorrow shit's going to dip, at some point, and then, which is healthy. We don't want to continue. I mean, and when I say dip, let me show you guys what I mean. We went up, came back down. Here, boom, boom. Here, we had a little bit. All right, let's go up a bit, and then down, and then continuation. And again, people are like, oh, well, if you sold here and then tomorrow at 18, but you still can make money. You could still make that same $100. It's just a matter of thing. Aaron likes to share and says, I just made the same amount I make from a day of work. Walter says, I will fill up my bag of One Harmony tomorrow if you're right. I hope so. I mean, again, not financial advice, just my opinion. We should see some sort of dips. I mean, we've been pumping nonstop. Pebbles says, Dungles trust this pump as much as the Texas bill. Hey, what's up? Again, we have a BTC at 35,723. This is something beautiful. I mean, it's a staircase, but again, just be very careful. This can come down really fast. I don't think, we're talking 29,000, no. But, a healthy correction could be 33,000, 33.5, and that happens. That's fine. There's nothing to be afraid. All coins are going to follow. Altcoins will follow too. If you're watching the stream, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, everybody. You know, and a lot of people say, "Oh, it's a dead cat bounce," blah blah blah. Who cares if it's a dead cat bounce, a dead count, whatever they want to call it? Let them call it whatever they want. 36 hours ago, this was a sell signal. It's now a buy signal. We don't go by these metrics, obviously, but just letting you know, the crypto is like this. Crypto changes. You know, there's a cryptocurrency that we shared with a couple of people yesterday. Not that we got in, but let me bring it up real quick. So if you bought $1,000 worth of Axie Infinity AXS launched in November of 2020, and you got $1,000 worth, you would have received 6,854 coins. As the time of this person writing the article, July 23rd, the price of each coin was $31.35, making you $214,000. That means you made a $213,000 profit in a matter of 8 months. Justin Cattle says, should I sell a bit? Sell a bit of what? Again, we don't give financial advice on this channel. We just give our opinions. As for Link 725, come on. Where's my son at? Son, come out of the woodworks. Again, you know, you want to make sure you are making the right decisions. I sold a little bit of one and VET and then got back into VET, but with everything. So I ran with it. You know, I have Chainlink on the line. Chainlink, when it pumps, it usually pumps about $1.50. So if we were to see this pump right here that started at 1633, 1785, I'm happy at 1730. I'm happy at 1740. Pebble says VET makes me eat Jaffa cakes. That's pretty cool. We have Bitcoin at 35,800, H-bars at 1782. We have another coin, you know, that's pumped today. Again, this is doing its sideways movement. That's fine. We can trade sideways. Look how long we traded sideways here, from the 23rd all the way to the 25th, and then boom. Next thing you know. And again, the AMP thing is just rumors again, but it ran off of that, I'm pretty sure. Amazon, it is a something that has potential. It's like VET. I mean, you know, you ride VET, say it goes up to 8 cents, 9 cents, then you're going to show you something that's going to leave you dumbfounded. Go over to One Harmony. All right, One Harmony pumping 741. It is closing up to VET. Right here, you know, 720. It's gone up 2-0, so that's an additional $200-300 that you missed on trade. It's fine, it happens. 8:30 right now. We are looking still pretty solid on the day and on the hour. But what I want you to take into consideration is top of the hour, top of 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, things could change and they can come down, you know, relax for a little bit. And that's fine. I mean, you know, a lot of changes happen 2, 3 in the morning. Right now, Asia's waking up. It's 8:34 a.m. in China, Monday morning. Yes, sir. Shout out to I Am King 84. Shout out to the trading group. Shout out to the signal groups. Shout out to everybody who supports Mr. Dungle's channel, hitting that like, subscribe button. You know, we're here trying to give you guys the best, most accurate information in the works. One of the things about moving your money around is, yes, it's a taxable event, but at the same time, you're like, okay, I can get into VET, I can get into One. With these two coins, VET and One trade off a lot of times. So you see VET right now is 750, but you see, you know, Harmony One, it's pumping. You know, they're both pumping, but this one pumped a little bit more. So say you had 100,000 coins times 0.0020, an extra $200. Sorry about that. Ethereum. Pull up Ethereum for me one time. Let's go to ETH, USD, do Coinbase. 2231. Beautiful. Again, this is something very beautiful that's happening right now. We are having a staircase pattern. Again, people didn't listen when VET was at 25 cents, 27 cents, 28 cents, when Matic was at $2.74. Nobody listened. Everybody thought it was going to the moon and never coming back down. Things come down. It's going to happen. So you take your profits, you wait. Patience is the name to success. Patience is the key to success in crypto and in life for a lot of you that do not know. Questions. There's 17 people in the chat. Let's go ahead and make sure you activate those bell notifications. Justin Cattle says long-term holds are more profitable, in my opinion. Most people lose when trading. Absolutely, Justin, you are 150% correct. And anybody that says no is out of their mind. Justin, you're 100% correct, and people listen to this because it's 100% accurate. Most people lose while trading. Why? Because they let their emotions play. Because they buy high and sell low, they freak out, and they don't know. That's the thing. If you can master having a set amount of money and increasing it daily and then not doing anything and having your moonbags, you're good. You're golden. You're done. You're set for life. Or as long as, the crypto markets stay as volatile. There will come a time where crypto markets won't be as volatile. Let's be honest. Stellar TC says, wish AMP was on KuCoin. It's not? I know it's on Coinbase. Sean says, yeah, I would say 80% of my portfolio is long-term, at least 6 months hold or above. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Good stuff. Vet751. Harmony 1 needs to be pulled up real quick. Harmony 1 744. $240. I missed out on a trade. $744. Again, this is a head and shoulders pattern, but it looks to be invalidated now here. So make sure you guys keep an eye on it. Only trade coins you would hold anyway, so you're not stuck holding the bag. Absolutely. Stellar says that, and that's YTC, Stellar YTC. That is factual. He is not lying to you guys when saying that. $747, One Harmony making moves again to the upside. Something beautiful. Again, these coins are very popular worldwide, especially here in America. Chainlink doing numbers again. Nice little pump. We have BTC at 35,847. Keep an eye on it. Chainlink right now. ZEC back over. Zcash over 101. Amazing. Again, Chainlink 1722. Anybody in Chainlink still, please feel free to drop your entry price. And if you're in high, don't feel bad. I mean, it happens. But patience pays off. I've been in the Chainlink trade since yesterday, and I bought it 16.80. When I opened that one, so I was a little upset. But patience pays off, and you don't get rid of it. You're just like, cool. Chainlink's a project that's going to go to over $300. I've said it once. I'll say it twice. I'll say it again. And Mr. Dungles will do. VET 749, One Harmony 745, a little bit of a cool off 840. Keep an eye on the markets. Very important. Again, remember, when these things pump, and I want to show you what happened with AMP, because a lot of people don't realize this. AMP pumped. We had 3 solid hours of pumping. 1, 2, 3. Well, that wasn't really a big pumper right here. 1, 2, 3. Say 4 hours of pumping. And then what happened on the 5th hour? It came down, and it went down from... Well, really, it came down from 6.5 to 5.8, so over half a penny. Sean says, holding 152 link from December, still adding. Amazing. Still adding. Drop down in chat. What is your favorite coin? What are your favorite coins? Matic at 95.23. Sean says 166 at $300 is 50K. Yes, and guess what? At the $150, that's 25K. So that's a pretty friggin' cool. Make sure people understand that. Again, VET One Harmony coins that will surpass one another. XRP, make sure you guys follow XRPJ. His YouTube channel is Litty. Make sure you guys follow XRPJ. Synthetics is numero uno. Yes. Oh, speaking of, we have not spoken of Mr. Synthetics. Let's go over to SNX 816. Pumping again. Pump it up. Again, I can't play that music because it is copyrighted. Something to pay attention to. 862. Let's see. Oh, we have an MLN is something to look at in the supply, like 1.9. Nice. We'll be taking a look at that. ANKR, USD, activate Coinbase, please. Another one pumping. Look it. Come on. It's pumping. You have Sean sold at $13.20, rebought at $8, making a $5 gain and increasing his position. He can tell you how it is, how it works, and that's facts. Let's go over here, check some the cell phones devices, and make sure everything is going smoothly. VChain 751, we have One Harmony trying to beat it out. One Harmony again trying to beat it out. ANKR on the move, Solana on the move, AMP. XRP just profited 10K off of each. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you like the channel, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button. We will start telling people to hit that like and subscribe button now, as we are doing a year challenge to see how numbers go by telling people to hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you activate the bell notification so you don't miss out on any live streams or videos. They come randomly. Again, 1 hour chart. You got the W, but you got to be careful. 752. 748. One's catching up. That one's going to be a little bit. Let's hold on. 20 minutes. This is nice. Guys, give me a minute. I'm taking a quick bathroom break. Entertain yourselves and talk amongst each other. I'll be right back. One Harmony coming in at 750, about to take over that spot with VET. Again, on the live stream, we traded out of one, and now VET and One Harmony are hand in hand, hand in hand. Absolutely, again, VET, One Harmony, hand in hand. Chainlink 1743. Who's still in the Chainlink trade? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Last push. Last push. Let's get ready to rumble. Rumble, 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 rumble. We have breaking news. Bitcoin is nearing $36,000 on this live stream. You're watching it here live in Dungle's voice. 1740 VT 751, Harmony 1 753 753. Harmony 1 breaking out in the middle of this live stream. VET calmed down a little bit, and that's fine. I mean, it happens. Harmony 1 surprised. Started at 721 on the hour. Well, started at 725, then went down to 721, which is where we sold. Again, this is why you need to have patience, and this is why I'm showing you. And so far, 754, which means that on 100,000 coins, it's a $324 miss out. Chainlink 1756. Let's pull that up. Pull that up. Pull that up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. XRPJ says, wow, 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 holy moly, what's up, XRPJ? Make sure to follow his channel. He's got one of the good up-and-coming channels here on the webs. Let's go. Chainlink is about to... I'm out. I'm getting ready to get out. I don't know. It could pump more. It really could, but I'm going to go ahead and not be greedy. Again, see, it went up, and, you know, I was being greedy. Not greedy. And that's fine. 1760. Anybody else in the Chainlink trade? $17.66. Let's go. Let's go. My son, are you still on the chat? My son, Aaron, are you still on the chat? Again, I said this when we break out. Usually $1.50. We're nearing that $1.50 mark. The person that used to supply my beats is no longer part of the team. He's a bitch. So I will not be playing his beats because he won't release them to me. BTC will not pump all night. I mean, I would love it to pump all night, let's be honest. And wake up tomorrow and boom, you know, you're at 40 grand. I'd be happy. $36,000 on the live, as predicted. We are here. We are here. He won't sign a release to the songs. I don't care. Again, you guys just saw it on live. I sold at $17.55. It's fine. I don't regret it. Back in at, or was in at 1686. Do some basic, the calculations of the motivation. Again, VET 752. I'm going to pull out of that real quick. After all this green, there has to be a little bit of red. I'm not trying to be a negative Nancy. Not trying to be a negative Nancy. You know, I don't want to be a negative Nancy to you guys. You guys know I love you guys dearly. But I have to be real with each and every one of you. That's why we are the #1 channel in all of the world. Best buys right now brought to you by XRPJ. Go follow XRPJ on his channel. They are ANKRXLM, One Harmony, absolutely. I would like to add VET to that mix. I would like to add VET. Favorite color is red right now, absolutely. Aaron, if you would have held till now, what would have been your realized gains? $17.63. If you like the live trading, if you like all this, make sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you put it in the chat so we know to do these streams. Again, put a number, no 1111111 if you're having a good time. Ethereum 2248 looks like it went to 2263. VET 751751. Matic again 96 cents. It could, remember, we just said that it hadn't tested dollar. It very, very well could be. Whoever asked me that, make sure that, you play it right, which is why we never give the advice. We have Harmony 1 at 751, same price as VET. VET's at 752, sorry. Okay, ANKR 765. AMP 60. Okay, watch this. Coñazo, men, carajo, puñeta, mira. Again, check this out. Certain coins are pumping, other coins are not. Pay attention. Okay, went all the way to 6.4. It tried 6.4 again. And now it's, leads me to believe we'll have a little bit of red. Nothing to freak out about. Disco Inferno in the chat. Sean in the chat. Aaron says 250. He still made 130. It is still amazing. I mean, I pulled out at 1755. Let's see what that looks like. So, that's 10, 4, 5, 3. So, 7.55 times 448 profit on that trade. Hey, it's going up. That's fine. We don't sweat it. Heard XLM picking that MoneyGram deal. That would be amazing. Let's go over to XLM. We have not checked out XLM here. CLM, what is that? XLM, USD. She said, baby, 26.79. Again, it started pumping at that 25 mark. It could run up easily to that 27. Have to be real. Absolutely. Isai, you have to be real. Always real. If not, people will not deal. Harmony 1753, VET 752. Again, sometimes you miss out on a couple of gains, and that's fine. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. But in the end, what comes up comes down, and then you just got to take advantage of it. Isai says, no loss on my end. Dungle still got work to do. Absolutely, but you shouldn't have had a loss. You should be at a penny profit. Let's be honest. You should have been at a profit. Aaron says, good night, my friends. Got to get ready for work. May God bless you all. God bless you too, and appreciate you taking the time, son. Dun, 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 dun. That was the plan, and esa es la razón la cual, I'm very picky with, the signals group and trading group, because people quieren hacer lo que le da la gana, and they do what they want to do, and they don't follow, and that's the problem. Dungles, I'm getting nervous. This major is the major break yet, right? I mean, it could be. Let's be honest. It could be. Do I think so right now? No. Do I think we're going to go down? He says, I want to sell now, but boy, keep pumping. I mean, Bitcoin 36,280, 274. It doesn't look like it wants to stop. We have 4 minutes on the clock. Chainlink USD. 17668, VET 753, Matic 97, Ethereum 2249. Right now, yeah, but if it's a call, you have to listen. If Dungles makes a call, you have to follow what Dungles does. That's the whole thing. So you could win. Otherwise, if you start making your own calls, then that's where it goes, and you can't blame anybody. I know you're not blaming anybody, but I'm just saying you can't blame anybody in that point. Sean, NKN pumping. It's at 0.235 right now. NKN, ooh. Ooh la la. NKN pumping. It looks like it started to pump at 22, up about a penny and a half. That's beautiful. Again, VET 755. Now it's deciding to do its last minute push. Let's see. As you can see, when it pumped from 649, it pumped to 67. So they're not really big pumps so far. I did, my friend. You know, I'll be frank. I did. One and everything, and I'm gonna wait for things to cool off. You know, and then increase your position. And if it doesn't cool off, then I'll just tomorrow at some point take everything in fiat, buy one coin, trade it, and then make up for the losses. Sorry about that, guys. 8:57, 8:57 de la tarde. Sean says, you think chills will be big in the future? So many people talk about that, bro, to be honest. I can't say yes or no. I really can't say yes or no, to be honest with you. It could happen, you know. It could happen. But, you know, who knows? It's not. I've said it before. You can't be wrong. You can't be mad for someone holding a bag. Um, you know, you really can't. Let's take a look right now. Overall, steady 757. You guys saw this real quick. Sorry about that. You guys saw. I mean, it's pumping 758, 759. This is what, you know, One Harmony 761. You know, Chainlink 780. You have ANKR 65. You have Matic 82. Where's BTC? Someone pull up BTC. So, you know, 36 to almost $37,000. Almost 37,000. We have 57 seconds left. Everybody stay tuned. We are here live. We'll be here for probably another 10-15 minutes after the candle closes. We've did this pump. I expect us to cool off. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice. I expect us to cool off right now, which is why everybody's doing a big push, 760. You know, and it could be one of those nice pumps. I mean, and price happens. So, One Harmony 755. You have Chainlink. Sean, I mean, those are beautiful coins. Bitcoin Cash, you have all that starting to creep back up again. So let's see if, you know, what we think is going to happen happens. You have 7-6. You have top of the hour now, but it looks like it's continuing. But no, we can't sell for the first few minutes. Well, let's go. Let's go. Hopefully it continues the pump for y'all. Bitcoin right now, 36.67. We'll zoom in a bit here so you guys can see. And it just continues to pump. It looks like it would be a continuation pattern. 37, we just broke 37,000. 765, 768. Chainlink, $18. $18.15. $38,800. Look at Bitcoin. $39,000. Look at this. 39,000 on Bitcoin. Matic $1. Vet 780. Damn. 1784. Amp not doing shit. $40,000 almost. $40,000 on live. We're going to $40,000 right now. Dungle gang in that building. What it do? 784, 1. Harmony 1, 780. VET 785. Matic $1. ANKR 66. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Everybody stay tuned, stay tuned. We're watching this, monitoring breaking news. $88.30. $37 coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. $38.6. We got rejected at 40,000. We went to 39.77. Let's see if we can cross over. Ethereum 2316. VET drop 766. Drop 766. We got Harmony 1 dropping 773. Chainlink 1823 dropping. Went to 1838. Again, this is why you've got to exercise caution and exercise your right decision-making skills. So right now we got BTC 38,900. We have VET 773, Matic at 98. Charger looking good. Off the hook, off the hook. This is all happening live right now. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. We have Chainlink at 1825. Again, top it out. Have a nice candle here. And then the next hour, see a little bit of red would be my preference. Again, holy moly, we are left speechless. This candle we just started. We started at 36 and it went all the way to 39,770. Will we hit 40,000? We got rejected at 39,770. I do not know that question right now, my friend. I will be Franco El Gorilla with you. So everybody, you share. Everybody, make sure that if you are in profits, take profits and let it go. Tariq says, bruh, don't let bearish in a bull run. Bought the dip, and let's go. Absolutely, Tariq. Welcome back to the stream. Remember you from a couple of weeks and months ago. Everybody stay tuned because this is happening live. We went to 39,000. Matic is at 98 cents. We just previously tested $1. Go ahead and switch it over to Matic. Yes, we went to $1. Matic pumping, VTC pumping, One Harmony pumping, jumping, Link pumping. Again, BTC did get rejected at $39,770. That is breaking news right now. We have pumped over the last 6 minutes. This is just 6 minutes in, and we went from 36,000 to 39,770. DOT's pumping. Thank you, Sean. Let's go ahead and cover DOT as well. Okay, DOT went all the way to 1450. Yeah, 1450, and then it's coming back down. When you see some of the popular currencies start doing this, expect a retracement of some sort. This is healthy. This is normal. People don't freak out. Yes, again, what Tariq just said. Tariq just says it's going to probably consolidate before it gets to the mid 40s. I think the rejections are healthy. Absolutely. I like to see everything come back down and relax, not just because, I took profits along the way and got out a little bit earlier. No, but just to be safe. Look, we called it. Coming down, realizing. This is the wildest, probably one of the wildest 7 minutes that you will witness in your trading career if you didn't take profits. Again, I just got DM'd by one of the best followers out there. Shout out to Robert G. Garcia. Says, at Mr. Dungles, profit-taking strategy in full effect. You guys know we try to guide you the right way. This is not financial advice. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at mdungles. We have a $2,000 giveaway. Make sure you guys activate those bell notifications. One Harmony 757 VET staying at 764 area, 76 ROM. It went to 754. Let's see how low we can go. Again, these dips are going to be bought up. On a Sunday, but remember, Tariq, we have the Amazon news. We have so many things. Follow the money. Follow the money. This, again, is running on rumors, in my opinion. I do anticipate a correction. I mean, I could be wrong. We can go straight to fucking 42,000, 43,000, and then a correction. I mean, Bitcoin said, I'm not done. We are on the 1 hour chart. In 3 hours, we've gone from $34,000 to $39,000. Sean says, right, this was crazy 10 minutes, but it tells me the bull run is definitely beginning. Next leg up, finally, absolutely. If you weren't a believer, if you thought this was a bear market, if you want to go back on my Twitter and see every time BitBoy Crypto said it was a bear market, and then now he's changing his stance. Plus, believe I will be making more videos. Crypto Jab said, altcoins were dead and that we weren't going to see it anymore and blah, 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 and all this other bullshit. Make sure you guys understand that Mr. Dungles always stayed firm and let you guys know what time it was. Always encouraged you to buy the dips. Always told you and motivated you that things were going to happen. That's it. If we go down to 34,000, that's fine. We just came from 34,000. I mean, that's not bad. We pumped. We pumped. People take profits. Good. Again, it's 9 a.m. on the other side of the world. We got pumping going on. Tariq says, when would you take some profits in this? I already took profits. I'm just going to leave that right there. I took profits. I can get into one right now and not think about it twice. But one is doing what healthy things doing. VET is more of a overseas coin that is implemented worldwide, overseas especially though. So you could see that. You have, let's pull up, Chainlink is again at 18. Could have waited a little bit. If I would have waited, I would have probably made an extra probably grand or so. So Tariq, it's jumping up and down so much, hard to know. That's where you got to be careful. He took profits end of the hour, yes. When I see at least 100 gain, then I think about taking profits. I took some profits on AMP only. Awesome. Again, look, things are coming back down. That's fine. They're going up and down so rapidly because people, again, what makes these big jumps, let's correct it, is the, how do you call it? The people like you and I that are sitting, behind and doing trades and stuff like that. Hold on. Make sure you wait for the markets to cool off, bro. $17.99, $18. We are here. We are coming to you live. Bitcoin is starting to come back down. This is just breaking. Over the last 11 minutes, we went from $36,740 all the way to $39,770. We started our day, which is the last hour and a half. We started at 35,251. I do expect a bit of a retracement. However, we will probably continue to pump over everything. Stellar says, on a Sunday of all days, that's crazy. Absolutely. Stellar says, watch all the crypto channels start creaming bull market. Absolutely. They're going to say bear trap, bull market. And I mean, if it is a bear trap, I mean, it is what it is. This is why you got to take profits. But I'm not going to sit here and tell followers, and Mr. Dungles won't sit here and tell followers, hey, don't buy here and wait till here to buy. And then you're going to come down crashing down. You're going to be crying. You're going to be losing money. Sean says, Jesus says, let their pumping be today. Absolutely. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, follow on the channel. New strategies, new markets coming up. VET 772, Harmony 1, 773, 754. Tempted to just say, to go with it and go all in. But I'm being patient. We're going to hold. I mean, it's happened before where, you get in here and then you're like, shoot, and then it just keeps going down. Patience pays off. That's all I'm going to say. Make sure you guys are smart with your patience. Make sure you guys are smart with your trades. Don't use leverage trading, please. Again, not financial advice. Just don't want to see you guys get wrecked. If you're not familiar with day trading, be very, very, very careful with it because you can miss out. And if you miss out on money, that's fine as long as you're making money. It's when you miss out and lose money that you got to be very, very careful. Bitcoin currently pumping at 38,100. It is doing numbers right now. I mean, it is something spectacular out of this effing world. Matic 97, Link, where are we at? Link, Chainlink 1820. Again, like I said, when it pumps $1.50. So, I was happy at a different price. We started pumping roughly at 1642, so it would have been, we'll probably settle around that 1780, 1790. Everybody's going to start jumping on lives. Everybody's going to start, back. The bull run. We've been covering this shit, since day one. Let's go. We did it on live. We did it tonight. We did it with the best followers, all 12, 13, 11, 5, 4, however many you guys are. I lose track sometimes. There's so many people. 7 people. Okay, $29,926. Look at this. We went from, I'm not even going to choose the bottom. I'm going to choose right here. That was, just say 30,000. 4 days ago to where we are today, right now. You want to maximize your opportunities. That's what you need to do. You need to maximize each opportunity you have. It's not just dollar cost average. It's just being able to wait for it to cool off because right now the markets are parabolic. Parabolic gains, it's awesome. Things are amazing. Things are pumping. You just got to be safe because next hour is probably going to be a little bit red, which is normal. If it continues to pump, obviously you're going to be like, oh man, I could have made a little bit more, but eventually it's going to come down. Sean says up 10K from 4 days ago. It's pretty sick, bro. Stellar says, it won't be a bad thing. All the people that sold thinking we're in a bear, putting money in it, which could help the upward trends. Absolutely. That's what pumped this, all the way up to. And remember, we started, what did we start at? 35,251 or something? Yeah, 35,000 around here. Cool. Let's go test 35,000 again. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. VET 770, like I said, one Harmony went all the way to 785. You could have taken profits. You would have been, in the profits. VET went all the way to 783. Boom, coming back down, just realizing. Perfect. Chill. Let it relax. That's perfectly normal. You have Bitcoin a little bit of sideways. 916. It's only 16 minutes on the top of the hour. So it's not like this. So make sure you guys understand. DD Blast 88 says, FIFA mobile content too late for AMP. Listen, AMP, I'm going to say no, man. Right now I want shit to cool off. I do. I want things to cool off 100%. We're on the 1 hour chart right here. We did have a massive pump today over a penny and a half. And then we've come down. We got rejected here at 6.3 or close to 6.4. And then it could just be sideways movement for a day or two and then continue up. We want to see some patterns develop. We don't want to just see a straight shot. Let's see the 4 hour if there's any patterns right now. Looking pretty good. Just a staircase is what I can see. And like I said, if it continues to do this and then come down and then this, you're going to have a head and shoulders, which means you're going to see downwards action. We've been calling patterns before they've been happening, so you got to be safe. Is at the price, it's cheap. I mean, when you look back and you're like, oh man, I could have bought this at 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. I remember people bought it at 10 cents when it was pumping at 12 cents. So BTC doing beautiful numbers right now. I don't know if anybody's on Twitter what Twitter is saying right now, but whatever Twitter's saying, it should probably be funny. I would love to see everybody. So a lot of questions are, which is the most undervalued coin right now? Again, boom, full effect. Let's go. 3784. We have One Harmony 749. We have VET 770. We have Chainlink at 1823. You just want to be safe with this. Here's my problem. I'm having flashbacks of when I went to bed at a 10-cent Dodge and woke up in the morning, but I'm still holding my Harmony stack. I mean, it goes down, it goes up. Right now, you have volatility. This is where money's made, but it can be lost very fast as well if you're not looking to hold and not prepared to hold. That's what it comes down to. If you haven't, held, that's where you're like, oh man, I could have, done X, Y, and Z, and I could have done BB, but you didn't. It's 9:18, and that's not even 9. It's not even 20 minutes past the hour, and we've had this volatility. You can go in and buy now, and then in 10 minutes, it could come down to 744, and you're like, damn, I could have had a better entry price. Again, a big sign. Are we going to go back and test this tonight or in the top of the hour in the next 40 minutes? If we do, that would be amazing. It would show bullish momentum. If not, I look for the candle to end and then the red candle to start, come down and cool off, and then boom, 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 sideways trading. There's nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't like to see it, to 32,000. That's a $5,000 loss. Then everything would dump. Can I get a, oh yeah? But I'm holding my Harmony stack, and that's amazing. I mean, right now, if I would have held a little bit, that would have been 3,600, 4. So yeah, so $1,000 I cashed out early, but I mean, it's fine. It is what it is. I'm not tripping. At the end of the day, that's what it comes down to. Sean says, yeah. Again, welcome to Mr. Dungle's channel. This is not financial advice, and we do this for entertainment purposes only. So far, to bring you up to speed, BTC ran up over the last 20 minutes from $35,000 all the way to $39,770. So that means we got rejected at $39,000. Just say $40,000. We got rejected at $40,000 on the day of today, which is the new trading day. Starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. That is in the west coast of the U.S. of A. You have a DOT pumping beautifully as well, 1433. You have VET that pumped drastically as well, something beautiful. Matic went to $1. Again, that candlestick is something we want to see, that red candle start forming. You have AMP at 617. You have ANKR at 651, which it pumped all the way to 66. We just covered that. You have Chainlink, which 1811, beautiful pricing again. We opened a short around here, not short, a long. And again, we should probably start naming these terminologies because it's not leverage trading. We opened up a position to trade and get out at a certain price target. Make sure we have this on the screen for you. Activate it now. go. So we have the Mr. Dungles at M Dungles. Follow me on Twitter. $2,000 giveaway. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. You have the note card system. Coin, price in, quantity, price target out, price sold, profit. Here you're going to write VET, One Harmony, BTC, whatever you want. Price in is the price you bought. Quantity, how many coins you bought. Price target out, what would you like to be out. Price sold, which is going to differ because you're going to get excited. You're going to be like, oh, I'm not waiting. I'm going to take out. Cool. And the profit. That way you can track down what you have. As always, this is not financial advice, and I appreciate each and every one of you. We are still on live. As the volatility is staying strong, we want to make sure we're bringing you the late breaking stuff. Again, late breaking news as well that has probably propelled is things are running on rumors right now that Amazon is to be accepting crypto here in the near short term. A lot of people are running saying, Amazon seeking a digital currency and blockchain expert looking to find which currency to take. When is it going to start accepting Bitcoin? Things of that nature. You need to be safe. You need to be very, 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 very careful with what you do. And again, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. We are doing new things here at the M Dungles channel, Mr. Dungles channel. Harmony 1 right now, cooling off a little bit. We liked it when it cools off. We hope that it does, where we go, it does this pattern right here. This is what I would like to see, where was that big pump we had? No, not big, shit. Right around here, see the red candles come down, not drastically, but enough to make us happy. VET 771, 37841 for BTC. BTC is still, holding strong. Okay, Stellar says Amazon will launch own token by 2022 and will start integrating Bitcoin payments is one news I saw. Okay, so off of just integrating Bitcoin payments, that's going to be huge. Obviously, the largest supplier of goods worldwide. You can have a package delivered to you within 2 days, anywhere in the world, anything you want. It is phenomenal. So imagine that, and everything is going to pump, obviously, with those bullish sentiments, with those bullish news. Welcome to everybody. Saludos a todos mis latinos. Saludos a todos. Pueden ver el broadcast en español. Escriban en español. We'll do Spanish streams as well here, so on and so forth coming up. So make sure you guys, understand what you guys are doing, trading, how you guys are going up, down. We are at 24 minutes past the hour. $37,900, and we're up roughly $2,500 at the price we're at now. We were up close to $4,000. Things are settling down back a little bit, which is fine. Chainlink at 1820, and just think this is on the 1 hour chart. So let's see. $755. Things to decide. We have BTC at 38,000 right now. And that's that. So many people have joined different trading groups, signal groups, and all that, and someone went into GRT on one trading group that is not affiliated to mine's abso-fudging-lutely not. Go to GRT, you went 3 cents. Boom, you went 3 cents. You went to Chainlink, you would have dominated fucking 16, almost $2. The fuck? So yeah, Make sure you guys follow on Twitter, mdungles again. Let's see, 5-6. BTC VT 776 continues to rise. All right, Harmony 1758757. Tested 748 on the last on this hour. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to that time where the end of the broadcast must come. I'm sorry, it must come to the end. I will be answering DMs on Twitter, things of that. AMP is, performing beautifully again. We have AMP at 631. Welcome to Malia. Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram and Twitter. YouTube and Twitter. She has a page coming soon. Sean says, thank you for your time, Mr. D. Of course, we've been here for 2 hours tonight. It's been beautiful. We've seen the rise and sudden rise in all the prices, and we covered it together. Make sure you guys are always staying safe, trading safely, and being smart. Chainlink trades, you sometimes miss out on certain things. You leave it on the table. VET, One Harmony, you guys saw it. One Harmony 757. Let's see what VET is up to. Thanks for the help. Anybody else, make sure you guys go and follow on Twitter. We have a big giveaway, so make sure you do that. Let's go and see VET 777. Let's see how it goes. And again, thank you, each and every one of you. We do have signal groups and all that. Follow me on Twitter for more information. I probably will be opening up another one. They sell out really fast, obviously, but let's see how it goes. Top of the hour, 9:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's go. As always, thank you. Take care. God bless. Jesus loves you. Osema Lulano, why is BAT so much out of nowhere? It's pumping on. Remember, the other half of the world, if you're in the U.S., the other half of the world, aka China, Middle East, all that are up right now, and China is buying right now like crazy, and other parts of the world, and so are. Remember, follow the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And it's not out of nowhere. You're in a bull run. This is what happens. This is what you want to continue to see. Can we see $30,000 again? Absolutely. Is it a dead cat bounce? I don't think so. Do you think it's going to continue to rise? Yes, but you want to see a red candle. I want to see a red candle. I want to see a red candle on BTC. I want to see a red candle on every coin we're trading right now, just to be safe. Not for a long time, but just enough to where you're like, okay, cool. Because just in this hour alone, boom, again. And we're running on the news of Amazon possibly integrating its payment system. $1 to $1, VET to $1, 1 to 150, Chainlink to 300. You guys always heard it here first. You guys did that. Our AMP is doing great things as well. Shout out to everybody. Thank you guys again. If you missed the live stream, hit that replay. God bless. Jesus loves you. I love you.